Hey, good morning, guys. I spent the last couple of days putting this lift together, and last night I worked on um, drilling out the holes for the mounting, the anchors for the posts, and then mounting the posts. And some of my video didn't end up with sound, so this is probably going to be a quick video. I'm just going to give you a couple of recaps what happened. The anchors were tough to get in. Not that they were hard, they were just a lot of effort. I was sweating like a pig. Anyways, we got it all plumbed in. I've lifted up the car. Anyways, let's get to the action. I got a couple of clips I'll play for you, but really, all in all, it's just going to be recaps on what I did. We open this up a little bit. We can hear it bubbling out through there. A lot of air. Raise it up a little bit more. Still see the air bubbles coming through. Alright, how's it going, guys? This is Saturday, about 1 o'clock. So I've been messing with this throughout the day. I had some issues with hydraulics, which directions were a little bit weird for the hydraulics since I was expecting to follow the out, in indicators on the diverter valve, which didn't end up being, or actually diverter flow valve, which didn't end up being the same as what it said in the book. However, once I bleed the cylinders on both of the posts, when I lifted this up, I realized I had left some stuff on top of the car, which you can see I can't reach the top of the car, so I ended up having to put the garage door down while I was lifting it all the way up to see how high it would go. And I think that this is actually pretty nice because I'm short and I really don't need much taller than this. I can do just about anything I need to under here. But I'm going to put it down because I'm noticing that the pads aren't exactly centered over the lift point. makes me a little concerned. So I'm going to go ahead and lower it back down slowly. Actually, I need to, something that I need to get used to. There's the safety latches, so I'll have to undo those so it will lower down. A little getting used to. Plumbed it in the way that it like was pictured, but not was labeled from the book. It worked fine, and I was able to bleed. All right, that's the second latch point. So I'm just going to leave it there for now, and pretty happy with it. I mean, it actually wasn't that much effort to get it in, and those bolts though, those were painful. There's a lot of work to get those in. I would say that the drilling holes really wasn't that big of a deal. It was just the mounting points. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, or comment, and we'll check you later.